everyone, how are you? This is me, Dr. Akshat Pandey. Hope all of you have seen my previous video of IRECon 2021 Virtual Connect. If you guys haven't seen the video, close this video first and go back and see the part 1 video on how to access IRECon 2021 Virtual Connect and how to use the web portal and enjoy the virtual experience of our most favorite upcoming conference. As I have explained in my previous video, this IRECon 2021 is not just all about rheumatology. It's much more than those inflamed joints, cytokines, TNF alpha, blah blah blah. I've never seen such a cool virtual conference. I've been attending so many since past 2 years of this COVID-19. And Team IRECon 2021 has not only made this year's virtual experience so exciting, they have tried to make it so live and interactive, like as if I am roaming around in a conference venue and going places, meeting and greeting friends and teachers and having fun just like the way we do in any physical meet. With so much fun around, do watch this full video if you don't want to miss the fun. So without wasting much time, I would like to quickly explain how to use this amazing and so handy IRECon Kini app. If you are out somewhere and can't use your laptop, you guys can log in easily through this app anytime, anywhere with a good network connection and can easily listen those lectures. So to download IRECon Kini app, it's a very simple process. You can go on Play Store on your Android phone or App Store on your iPhone and can type IRECon 2021 in search column, which will redirect you to this Kini app. You need to download it. It will hardly takes few seconds, depends on your internet speed. Next, you need to click on the IRECon 2021 in the upcoming conference part and open it. As soon as you open it, you will come to this event guide page where you can easily view all the upcoming sessions and bookmark or add to your calendars too as well. As you can see the sponsors too and visit their page. Like if you want to attend the inauguration, you can click on it and add it to your calendar from here. The very interesting thing about this app is that you can even send or make notes here, and also can make a reminder before any lecture as per your timings. You can share any photos also related to the session during the session if you feel like on the group that will be seen by everyone attending that session. So you can prepare your own schedule and add or bookmark as many sessions you wish to attend on your calendar. I suggest you to pre-plan the session days before the conference so that it will be easy for you to plan your schedule accordingly. Isn't it amazing? So easy for all of us to use. So now if you go back on the main event guide page and click on the activity feed, you can create your own social post or start a thread related to any topic you want, and people can reply on them. And you can meet new people with common interest and ideas too. Keep checking this part and stay updated for interesting posts by your colleagues. The social wall here will begin as soon as the events will begin. And now you go back and click on the speakers part. You can easily get all the list and can search your favorite speaker just by typing their name here. You can even bookmark your speakers too and can get the notifications or information about their upcoming lectures. Now, if you click on the virtual platform, it will take you to the desktop version as I have already explained in my previous video, and you can have access to the sessions through this virtual connect. You need to log in again and fill your details and email, and it will ask you an OTP that will redirect you to the main page where you can easily access all sessions and workshops. It's hardly like it will take 20 to 30 seconds to log in here. Isn't it so easy? So now if you go back here and click on the attendees part, you can easily browse through all the attendees, or if you want to search any of your friend or colleague and see his profile, you can search through this. You can click on the more icon here and you can get access to all the features here, and the most interesting part here that will make you stick to the screen right till the end is the game part. It's so amazing and creative, and as I told you all about this year's IRECon is much more than the rheumatology, and our aim is to bring more and more people together, make new connections, develop new contact. If you want to play this game, you have to become more and more active on this app, and the more you are active, higher your rank is on the leaderboard. What you need to do is you need to follow these simple steps. See the explorer part. You will get points on completing these small tasks like viewing the event guide, check out the schedule, add sessions on your schedule. You will get points on viewing the attendees list. view their profiles. The more profile you view here, the more points you get for them. And if you send them a message, like if you want them a hi, you will get a plus 400 points for that. It's really fun, isn't it? So also, if you click on the social butterfly part, you can get points by posting pictures and sharing posts on social network. Also, there will be points on viewing sessions. That means we also want you to view the sessions too and study rheumatology and not only just passing time here. Else pata chala ki everybody is on the game zone gathering points and nobody is attending the lectures. So I can assure you all, IRECON 2021 is full to paisa vasool and time vasool thing, and I can bet you are going to have an amazing time here. Thank you very much everyone, and do share these 2 videos with your colleagues who are attending IRECON, and if they haven't registered yet, make sure they do ASAP. See you all soon in IRECON now. Bye.